Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak English confidently but you have no partner to practice with? What if I tell you that you can improve your speaking even when you are alone? Stay with me till the end, because today I will show you a powerful method to practice English speaking by yourself. Chapter 1: Why practicing speaking alone is powerful. When people start learning English, they often say one thing: I don't have anyone to practice with. And because of this, they stop trying to speak. But here is the truth: you don't need a partner to start speaking English. You can practice alone, and it can be very powerful. Let me explain this in a simple way. Speaking is a skill, just like walking or writing, and every skill improves with practice. It does not matter if someone is with you or not. What matters is, are you practicing or not? In fact, practicing alone has a big advantage. There is no fear. No one is watching you. No one is judging you. You can make mistakes freely. And this is very important for beginners, because when you are not afraid, you speak more. And when you speak more, you improve faster. Many learners wait for the perfect time or the right partner, but that time never comes. Days pass, weeks pass, and they still don't speak. But a smart learner starts alone. Even if the sentences are small, even if the English is broken, they still speak. Here is something very powerful. When you speak alone every day, your brain slowly starts thinking in English. At first, it feels strange. You stop, you think, you try. But slowly, it becomes natural. Another benefit is that you control everything. You choose the topic, you choose the speed. You can repeat as many times as you want. This gives you freedom to learn at your own pace. Remember, fluency does not come from thinking, it comes from speaking. But here's the truth: many learners don't know how to practice speaking alone in the right way. They try, but they don't see improvement. So now the question is, what is the right way to practice English speaking when you are alone? That is exactly what I will show you in the next chapter. Chapter 2: The Right Way to Practice Speaking Alone, Step-by-Step Method. Now, let's talk about the most important part: the right way to practice speaking when you are alone. Because if you don't follow a method, you may speak, but you will not improve much. So let's make it very simple. Step 1: start with simple sentences. Don't try to speak long or difficult English. Begin with small sentences like, I am learning English, I am sitting, or I am watching a video. Simple sentences build confidence. Step 2: talk about what you are doing. This is a very easy and powerful technique. For example, if you are eating, say, I am eating food. If you are walking, say, I am walking. This helps your brain connect English with real life. Step 3: describe your surroundings. Look around you and speak. This is a table. The room is clean. The weather is hot. You don't need big words. Simple descriptions are enough. Step 4: speak in front of a mirror. This may feel strange at first, but it is very powerful. When you see yourself speaking, your confidence grows. You become more comfortable with English. Step 5: record your voice. This is one of the best methods. Speak for 1 or 2 minutes and record it. Then listen to your voice. You will notice your mistakes, your pronunciation, and your improvement over time. Step 6: repeat sentences from videos or audio. Listen to a sentence and try to copy it. This improves your pronunciation and speaking speed. Now, listen carefully. Don't wait to be perfect. Many learners think they need perfect grammar before speaking. This is wrong. Speaking comes first, perfection comes later. Even if your English is broken, speak. That is how you improve. If you follow this method daily, even for 10 to 15 minutes, you will see real improvement in a few weeks. But wait, there is one more important thing. What you talk about also matters a lot. So now the question is, what should you talk about when you are alone? Let's find out in the next chapter. Chapter 3: What to talk about when you are alone. Ideas for practice. Now let's talk about a very common problem. Many learners say, I want to speak English, but I don't know what to say. And because of this, they stay silent. But the truth is, you don't need big topics. Simple topics are the best. Let me give you some easy ideas. First, talk about your daily routine. This is the easiest way to start. You can say, I wake up at 7, I eat breakfast, I go to work, or I study English. These are simple sentences, but they help you speak more. Second, talk about your day. At the end of the day, try to explain what you did. For example, today I went to the market, I met my friend, or I watched a video. This helps you practice past tense in a natural way. Third, talk about your future plans. You can say, tomorrow I will study, or I will go outside. This helps you learn how to speak about the future. Fourth, describe pictures or objects. You can look at a picture and say what you see, or look around your room and describe things. This improves your vocabulary and confidence. Fifth, tell a short story. It can be a real story or a simple imaginary story. Don't worry about grammar, just try to speak. Now, here is something very important. Repetition. Don't change topics every day. Talk about the same topic again and again. Each time, you will speak better and faster. Many learners make a mistake. They wait for perfect ideas. But you don't need perfect ideas. Even speaking for 1 minute is better than staying silent. Here is a powerful truth. The more you speak, the easier it becomes. At first, it feels difficult, but slowly, your brain starts working faster. But now comes the most important part. Even if you know what to say and how to say it, you will not improve if you are not consistent. So, how can you stay consistent and build real confidence? That is exactly what we will talk about in the next chapter. Chapter 4: How to Stay Consistent and Build Confidence. Now comes the most important part: consistency. Because you can know the best method, you can have many ideas to speak, but if you don't practice daily, you will not improve. Let me make it very simple for you. You don't need long hours. You just need 10 to 15 minutes every day, but with focus. Yes, small daily practice is more powerful than speaking for 1 hour once in a week. Many learners start with energy. They speak a lot for 1 or 2 days, but then they stop. Why? Because they feel shy or they think they are not improving. This is normal, but this is also the reason many people fail. Listen carefully. Confidence does not come first. Practice comes first. When you practice daily, confidence comes automatically. So, what should you do? Create a simple daily routine. Choose a topic, speak for 1 or 2 minutes, try to describe, explain, or tell something. Then, record your voice. Listen to it. Notice small mistakes. Then try again. This simple cycle: speak, listen, improve, repeat is very powerful. And here is something very important. Don't focus too much on mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake is a step forward. If you stop because of mistakes, you stop your progress. Focus on small improvements. Maybe today you speak slowly, tomorrow a little better, next week even more smoothly. This is real growth. And one day, something amazing will happen. You will start speaking English without thinking too much. Words will come naturally, and at that moment, your confidence will grow. You will say to yourself, yes, I can speak English. So don't wait. Don't be afraid. Start today, even if you are alone. Remember, speaking alone is not a weakness. It is your secret strength. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Tell me how you practice speaking and what problems you face. I read every comment and I will help you. Keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the next video.